Hey guys, we received this Achiou winter gloves for test and try. So this is a Thicken touch screen with the anti-slip silicone gel. So they are the thermal soft knit lining. So I can just show. So comes in a really nice pack. So let me just open up this. So this looks really nice as you can see, and there is a rubber grip thing. So that is very helpful. And for the touch screen, they have this things, so you can easily work on your touch mobile and the grip for the rubber thing or the silicone thing. So the fitting wise, they are really nice and have the lining of this fleece. So they are really very comfortable and warm. They are the thick design, and as you can see, I can easily use my mobile with these gloves. So there is no issue of using the mobile or the touch screen. So it's pretty nice design and very nice gloves as the feel, and they have this rubber grip. So it's silicone grip, so it is easy to grip anything with these gloves. So a nice design and a really nice pair of gloves.